You are a generation called to be reformers. You are a reforming generation. You are here because God has marked you. You're here because you want to be a difference maker. There's something in your DNA that can't accept status quo, business as usual, things as they are. You will never fit in the box marked normal. Deep in your heart, you know you're called to change things, to rock the boat. You love God but hate religion. When you taste Him, it only makes you hungry for more. You have God cravings. You crave His presence but loathe the average church service. You refuse to let the world around you shape or define you. When you dream, it is about the impossible. When you see pain, you know you're called to heal it. When you face adversity, you don't fear because you measure it against your God. You are dangerous to evil, to Satan, because your life is not your own. To live is Christ, to die is gain. You wonder why you're so strange, so different. When others want to party, you want to pray. When they laugh, you weep. When they dance, you mourn. You will never fit in the typical societal niche because you are a reformer. You don't live for fame. You would never lower your goal to being rich and famous. You're an Abraham, a Joshua, an Esther, a David. Bullets don't scare you. Mediocrity scares you. Indifference scares you. Losing your life doesn't scare you. Wasting it does. You've already died, so you are free.
Are you hungry to learn and desperate for change?
2012, handa ka sa pagbabago mo?
Alam mo, matagal ka nang hinihintay ng bansang ito.
This is our generation. What we do today will echo the history.
Pastors, mobilize your church. Rak-raka na!
Kabataan, ipanalo natin ang bagong panahon.
Excited na ang kababaihan! Pinag-uusapan kahit saan!
On fire mga kabataan, nakakapasok at nakakahawa. History makers, ikaw na!
It's time to gather and make history. And have others change the world. Young people, rise up! This is your time, history maker.
Pag hindi ikaw, sino pa?
Kabataan, ikaw naman ang tatayo.
Buong bansa, ipanalo mo kabataan. Your time to shine, your turn to succeed.
Get ready, Pilipinas!
Tayo muna, learn mo pa. Wala nang pigilan nito. Turn to stand and claim the nation. Isulong ang liwanag. Akotan na to, dali lahat. Nanay, tatay, kaklase, katrabaho, ka-churchmate, kapuso. Lahat.
Walang papuntahan sa prepared. Dalasin ang tenga, pudpudin ang tungo, ihanda ang puso, lupitan ang uhaw.
It's time to be part of history. And the biggest will happen this year.
Don't ever miss the earth-shaking event of your life.
Be prepared, be ready. Come with an open heart. Hungry to learn and desperate for change.
Aapuyan ka, magbabago at lalabas na di tulad ng dati. Are you ready?
You are not there to watch history, but to make history.
Walang AJ, walang party pooper, bata, matanda. Lahat magwawala. Tara na! Time ko, time mo, time nating lahat.
Virgins ito ng apoy kakalat sa buong bansa.
Pastors, let's rise. Kailangan na kailangan po tayo.
It's time to change this nation. Don't you dare not be prepared for it. Beyond time, alas 7 pa lang pumila na. Don't dare.
Don't dare miss it.
Huwag na huwag magpapahuli, guys. Malapit na. Be there, be a history maker. Huwag kayo magpapahuli, malapit na malapit.
Magpapahuli ka pa ba?
Magpapahuli ka ba? Magpapahuli ka pa ba? Magpapahuli ka pa ba? Magpapahuli ka pa ba?
Don't dare miss it. Teka! May first stop ka na ba? Ay,
Grab your wrist tags now.
Grab your wrist tags now.
guys, grab your wrist tags now. Grab your wrist tags now. Grab your wrist tags now.
Meron na ba kayo nito? Kung wala pa, grab your wrist tags